Okay, for exercises 1 through 3, use the figure below. Classify angles 1 and angle 8 as alternate interior, alternate exterior, or corresponding angles. Well, 1 and 8, they are on opposite sides of the transversal, and they are outside the two parallel lines. So opposite means alternate, and outside means exterior. So these are alternate exterior angles. Okay, find the measure of angle 4 if the measure of angle 1 equals 100. So now we're talking about 4 and 1. Well, 4 and 1 are vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent. So if one of them equals 100, the other one equals 100. Okay. Find the measure of angle 5 if the measure of angle 1 equals 100. Okay. Well, for this one, they are on the same side of the transversal and same side of the parallel lines. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. So if one of them equals 100, the other one equals 100, because congruent means equal or the same size. Okay, angles A and B are alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles are equal to each other. Formed by two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Find measure of angle B if measure of angle A equals 38. Well, since they're equal to each other, if one of them equals 38, the other one has to equal 38. Okay, angle 9 and angle 10 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Formed by two parallel lines cut by a transversal. The angles are also complementary. Complementary add up to 90. Find the measure of angle 9. So if they are equal, we can call them x. So if they're the same, then we have x plus x, two angles equaling 90 degrees. So 2x equals 90. So you literally ask yourself, 2 times what equals 90? So what you'd have to do is divide by 2. So x equals 45 degrees. And that's your answer for that one. Determine the third angle measure of a right triangle. Okay, right triangle is 90-degree angle is in one of them. Okay, and one of the other measures is 25. So the two pieces of information they gave us for a triangle is 90 and 25. That adds up to 115. They want the third angle. So there's 180 degrees in a triangle, but we know about 115 of those degrees. So if you subtract, you get 65. So that's the measure of the third angle, 65. Determine the value of x in the triangle. Well, I have, it's just like the other, number 6, except they drawn it into a diagram. So the two angles they gave you were 55 and a 62. That adds up to 117. But there are 180 degrees in a triangle, so if you subtract out the 117 that they gave you, you get 63. And that's the answer to that one.